My liver was sick, until I tried this natural cure. Thank goodness that my naturist doctor told me. Have you ever wondered why, although you do everything, you cannot lose weight? Do not feel depressed. It's not that you're doomed to being fat or you're under a curse that keeps you that way. The problem is likely to be in your liver. When our body fails to properly remove toxins and harmful substances, the liver suffers. As a result, it does not have the same performance, causing the accumulation of grease and hazardous substances. In this article we tell you what you can do to end this problem. In case you did not know, the liver is one of the most influential organs in terms of weight loss is concerned. Therefore, when the body is loaded with toxic substances, this process slows or stops completely. Hence, no matter how hard we try, we cannot lose weight in any way. If that is your case, you can have your head up, because in this article we will teach you a fabulous remedy. With it, you can cleanse your liver, restoring its functioning so that you lose weight quickly. In addition, by just taking this remedy for 3 days, you will purify your entire body automatically. Pay attention to the following instructions and follow them to the letter. Clean and detox your liver with this simple remedy. As we mentioned above, this juice has to be taken 3 times a day for 3 consecutive days. For best effects, you should avoid eating too much food during this time. In addition, you will need to consume lots of water to speed up the detoxification process. Ingredients: 1. Chopped parsley 1 cup. 2. Celery 5 stems. 3. Chard 300 grams. 4. Lemons 3 units. 5. Water 6 cups. Preparation and use: 1. Preparing this powerful drink is extremely easy and simple. To begin with, we extract the juice from the lemons and throw it in a blender. We pour the remaining ingredients into the blender and blend them thoroughly. Optionally, we can add several ice cubes to refresh a little. 2. This juice will take a total of 2 glasses, 3 times a day before each meal. This process is repeated the next 2 days and we rest the next 7-10 days. After that time, we can repeat the routine of 3 days. 3. By doing this, we can detoxify our body, especially our liver, quickly. In addition, we will note that losing weight will be a child's play after performing this treatment. Do it today and check your results. Also, share this article for others to find out about this remedy.